Hey guys, it's me, PowerCat69. Sorry if the camera is unusual. My iPad broke, so yeah. So I installed this fan today, and for some reason, it just doesn't work normally. So it used to be on a double switch, but I think what happened before is that the other fan didn't work, so it was rewired to just be to the light and not to the fan. So now when I put this in, it just, I don't know. I'm kind of scared. It just made a very loud vibration sound and then immediately started spinning. So, well, obviously it's not doing it now. And then when you turn it off, the light kit still works. That one light bulb still works. I'm not too sure what's wrong with it, because I know this fan is good. It's just something the way it's wired. So I just wanted to share that with you. That one light bulb still works after it's turned off, and it's just strange. All right, and I probably, if I pull the light chain, it'll probably just short, and then it's just not going to work. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Thanks for watching. Bye.